Every year, thousands of workers leave for work and never come back. The scary part? Most of these deaths are preventable. Today, let's break down the most common causes of workplace fatalities with real examples so we can understand how to prevent them. Falls are the leading cause of death in construction. For example, imagine a worker installing roofing sheets without proper harness anchorage. One misstep, no guardrails, and a fatal fall. The key to prevention? Proper scaffolding, fall arrest systems, and a 100% tie-off policy. Workers can also be hit by moving vehicles, falling tools, or swinging equipment. Picture a crane lifting materials without a defined exclusion zone. A worker walks underneath and suffers a serious impact. Prevention means barricading, using spotters, and wearing high-visibility clothing. Electrocutions are another major risk. Live wires, exposed cables, and improper grounding can all be deadly. For example, maintenance staff repairing equipment without isolating power may come into direct contact with live current. The solution? Lockout and tag-out procedures and proper personal protective equipment. Some workers get trapped in machinery or between heavy objects. Imagine someone cleaning a running conveyor belt and their clothing gets pulled in. Prevention requires machine guarding and strict shutdown procedures. Workplace fatalities don't just happen. They are caused by unsafe systems, unsafe acts, and poor supervision. Safety isn't paperwork. It's planning, training, and accountability. Because at the end of the day, the goal is simple. Everyone goes home safe.